right there, a supercharged Bugeye with our Super Sport twin tip muffler on the back of it, and that is what we've got this week from Bugeye Guy going on here. This is such a cool car, I wanted to share it with you. And what it is that you can't really on these cars, you know, we've had 250 of them, you can't really rev them up to the red line. I mean, you can, people do it, sure, we all love to do that, but you don't really get a whole lot above 4,000 RPMs going on. And when you put the supercharger in, the whole world opens up, and it's such a delight. You can see me trying to grab that right here just in first gear. I want some of that above 4,000, and so, you know, space doesn't allow, but here I go. And that's 4,800 RPMs. That's all you get on the way to the post office. It's only a 3-minute drive, but you can see how I'm packing in the maximum amount of fun possible, and the supercharged version is the way to get there. I really think this is the best platform. You go too far on a Bugeye and put in too much power, and you have other problems for drivability. This is a great setup that works really well, and it got me to the post office today. Another one of our packages delivered on time by Bugeye Express here right at the post office. Here comes the box on its way, and you know, our parts catalog and our test drives interface nicely. Here it goes, another set of parts on its way, and thanks for coming for a ride today with us at Bugeye Guy.